There's something so special about getting a handmade greeting card during the holidays, but making and sending them out can be a bit daunting. I have learned over the many years that I've been paper crafting, having a game plan for making and sending out holiday cards is a must, and it will set you up for success. That's why I am so excited to share this free 4-day event with you. There is over 25 speakers, and I am one of them. And my topic is creating unique distressed backgrounds for cards. I will be sharing how to easily make one background and create 4 stunning cards in just minutes. I will also be sharing my favorite tip to quickly add a sentiment to your card, and the best part is there's no additional stamping required. Here is just an overview of the summit, but be sure to click the link in the description for more information. The summit will run from July 15th through July 18th. Each day will be packed with amazing speakers who are ready to create a card making plan that will minimize stress and help you get your holiday cards done early. There is a pop-up Facebook group where you can connect with other card makers and ask the speakers questions. You can attend this 4-day event absolutely free, and you can claim your free ticket by clicking the link below. Now, there is a VIP all access pass, and it offers immediate and ongoing access to all the presentations, an amazing holiday workbook, a virtual live crop with fellow attendees, and more. If you aren't too sure about the all access pass just yet, no worries, but be sure to claim your free ticket to the summit now, and you can choose to grab the All Access Pass at any time. The All Access Pass is being offered at a special price right now, so don't wait too long to grab it. I know this is going to be extremely helpful, so be sure to head on over to the website to learn even more and claim your free ticket. If you do sign up for the summit, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I cannot wait to see you there.